2 white chocolate mocha. Okay, so very loud. Cuando llegaste tú, nos echamos a correr. We came to Orange County for New Year's. We got an Airbnb. It's really nice. Let me give you a tour. Here is the kitchen. A little island with seats. And then the living room. It's like so cozy. Look at this. The bedroom, also nice colors and nice lighting. I love it. And then here's the closet and the restroom. I really like the dark colors and the lighting. We did a good job choosing this place, huh?
I did good, huh, babe?
You did good, babe. You did good. So we're just gonna finish unpacking and we'll see what else we do. We're heading to eat at my parents' house and then we're gonna stop before we get there to get 2 white chocolate mocha because it's a nice and cloudy-ish day. Foggy? Cloudy. Cloudy, right? We would call it cloudy, not foggy.
I'd call it gloomy.
Gloomy. Okay. Yeah, it's a gloomy day, so nice warm cup of coffee. No! Stop.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog. So we went to Ross. I got my mom a little teapot with a little thing to put the leaves in there. It was $15.
Look at my frozen yogurt.
She got frozen yogurt.
That's delicious.
And then I got these little heels. I don't have any of these little kitten heels. So I got these. They were $19. Cute, cute. Oh. And then the family dog didn't get a Christmas toy, so very loud. $5. Got some yoga pants. I didn't have any wide leg pants, so these look really nice and they fit me perfectly and they're comfortable. Me va a ver la muchacha de allá. And then there's these blue ones. Mira de acá también.
No importa.
And these yoga pants. And that's it. Okay, let's go, Rocky.
Como tiene las puntas bien oxidadas,
Camíname.
pues lo agarré y al agarrarlo.
Wait, va a cantar mi suéter.
Rocky, espérate.
He tricked
I'm
you.
scared of him. I wonder if he scratched my sweater, Yaira. Marañó.
Dale para que haga ruido, mira.
No sabe.
Ahí está, ahí está.
Oh. La cola. Yeah. I just did a HIIT workout with my mom. We just did a 10-minute video on YouTube, just in her room. It wasn't that bad today. See, I'm wearing a long sleeve and I'm not even sweating. She's gonna show me a video that she normally does. It's like a leg workout. I feel good, I feel good.
This is our spot.
Yummy birria. Frijoles puercos. Tortillas a mano. Pico de gallo.
Y usted, teniendo fallando todos los pelos.
Pico de gallo, ensalada.
Cuando era la referee de Bonnie, y todos te cacheles.
Peleándose. Cuando llegaste tú, nos echamos a correr. Ya no, se acabó el juego. We're back in San Diego. It's New Year's Day. We actually made the drive late at night. Was it like 3? It was the safest time that we saw. Okay, it was past the midnight and before the 8 a.m. So, gonna get back and sleep. Now we're gonna see what we're gonna eat because probably a lot of places are closed and I haven't drank water. We'll see what we eat. I'm hungry and it is actually 4:27. We just got back from Korean barbecue and we stopped by at Burlington's and Ross. At Ross, we got this sweater, which is really cozy. I was debating on getting it, and he was like, I'll get it for you. And so this is gonna be my new lounging sweater for home. At Burlington, there were sets of 2, and I got 2 sets of 2. This one was $12 for the 2. A gray and a black one. Soft fleece inside. These could be like for cold days. This set was $14.99. These are wide leg, soft, not as warm as the other ones I would say, but still like a little bit of that fleece. I'm gonna have cozy pants to work in. And then right now, I think I'm gonna do a little workout. It is 8:30. After that, I'll probably start showering and getting ready for bed because even though we woke up at 3 today, I'm still pretty sleepy. We also got a water bottle for him. We have a bigger Stanley that we always carry, but when he's alone, this one will come in handy, the 32 ounce. Love having our water around us. My godmother got me these shoes, so I think these are gonna be perfect to work out inside the house. They'll be like inside workout shoes. They're really light and I love the color. We're probably gonna use these right now. We finally brought out all our luggage from the car, and so right now I'm gonna do some laundry. I'm trying to divide the new clothes I bought and everything, and then I'm gonna do my workout and be productive while doing that. I am really sleepy, so I'm trying to just get this done now and not hold off and not sit down, and so I can get everything that I need to get done. And then tomorrow is Friday and we still have it off. We'll see what we do tomorrow. For now, this is the task that I have to do and I'm gonna get them done.